Hello friends, welcome. I am Arun Kumar from Formulations. Already we have posted making video for Colin type glass cleaner. We have released formula also. That is based on the Bureau of Indian Standards IS 8540-1986 document. But recently in October 2025, this has released a new version, that is IS 8540-2025 document. So automatically the old version becomes expired. So we are withdrawing our old formula. As per new document IS 8540-2025, as per the new specification, we have developed glass cleaner formulation. Now let us discuss what is the difference, what are the differences between the old version and the new version, 1986 version and 2025 version. In case of 1986 version, it is product based specification. In case of current version 2025 version, it is performance based specification. But in both the versions, they didn't mention about anything about choice of ingredients, minimum active matter or pH, etc. They are mainly focusing on the product and its performance.
Already we have posted making video for premium quality glass cleaner. I have given the link in description. Now only the specification and the materials are getting changed, not the guidelines how to prepare, how to formulate glass cleaner. So there is no need of posting one more making video for glass cleaner. Now let us check the product physically. This is our product as per the BIS specification IS 8540-2025. Let us compare with Colin. Both are looks clear and transparent. Of course, it is mandatory as per the BIS requirement. Let us check the pH. In case of our product, the pH is 9 or 9 to 10. In case of Colin, the pH is 10. Generally, for domestic purpose glass cleaner, the advisable range of pH is 8 to 10. In case of concentrated heavy duty industrial purpose glass cleaner, we can maintain up to 11 or 11.5.